A look at the 2019 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.